Nature was our first pharmacy, a world of healing hidden in the bark and the leaf.
Printing durability. Metal hearts for a longer life.
The apothecary, storing the dreams and the cures of the past.
Precision delivery. Every breath counted. The era of the clinic. Clean, cold, and efficient. Knowing the enemy. To cure, we must first see.
Mapping the soul. Decoding the final frontier of healing.
The smart drug. A messenger sent to fix the flaw.
Restoring the gaze. Artistry meeting medicine.
Beyond sight. Augmenting the human experience.
Synthetic life. Ensuring the flow never stops.
The tools of intervention. Holding life open. Strength restored. The machine serving the bone. A simple support. Dignity in every step.
The instant stitch. Closing wounds with light and chemistry.
The first manuals. Knowledge passed through the ages.
Perfect fit, replacing the enamel with the eternal.
The struggle for a smile. A reminder of how far we've come.
Healing through rest. Optimizing the body's natural cycle.
The magic bullet. One drop to change the war.
Total awareness. The end of the unknown illness.
Amplifying the world. The first hearing aids. Maintaining the augmented self. Measuring the fever. The body's cry for help.
Growing the future, one cell at a time.
The machine that breathes for you. The limits of the early world.
Healing the mind. The final restoration of peace. Channels of energy. Ancient wisdom. Digital precision.
The family doctor. A chest full of hope.
Dosage ready.
Never forget, the AI as the ultimate nurse.
The steady hand. Perfection beyond human limits. The reason we restore. The human result.
A library of life. Every bottle, a story of a cure.
The knowledge of millions, helping the one. Simulating life to save it. Breath of life. Restoring the basic necessity.
Surviving the future. Pure air everywhere.
Healing is the ultimate defense.
One story of survival. One path to the light.
Algorithm complete. Value restored.
Don't miss the next restoration. What should we cure next?
Subscribe. God bless.